Good evening. My name is Sonia Mitwani and my topic is natural language processing for information retrieval. In this, we are going to uh, see the topics that are relevant for this natural language processing. First, we are going to see introduction, NLP techniques in IR, applications of NLP in IR, future trends of NLP for IR, benefits of NLP in IR, and conclusion. Natural language processing is the part of artificial intelligence that deals with and develops the capability of the computer to understand, interpret, and generate human language. Natural language processing is a bridge that gap of ultimate understanding between human communication and machine understanding by teaching machines to process and analyze language, which becomes in many applications. Information retrieval in turn has to do with finding and retrieving relevant information from large sets of collections of documents. Natural language processing contributes to this with an understanding of context, syntactics, and the intent of queries, which greatly enhances the accuracy of the search. Natural language processing techniques in information retrieval. This is the first technique which is used in information retrieval, that is text preprocessing. It is used to clean the raw text data in standardized ways so that it may be analyzed. There are some common steps which are used to process the data. First is tokenization. Tokenization is the very first step in text data processing. It involves a large amount of text which is essentially broken down into smaller units such as words or phrases known as tokens. Algorithms can analyze and process such tokens much more easily. Stop word removal is the filtration of commonly used in any language that can be used to add title or nothing in many contexts. Stemming. Stemming is a process that usually denotes a rule-based approach to improve suffix from word to obtain the root form, often in a way that does not consider whether the root is valid word. For example, running becomes run and studies become study. Lemmatization reduces words to basic form or lemma, taking into account the word's part of speech. For example, better could be good. Normalization. Normalization is used to make text consistent in a standard form, thereby improving the text processing system's robustness. The purpose of this normalization is it helps align the variations in the text, such as words, phrases, can be compared, analyzed, or classified more effectively and consistently. This is the second technique of natural language processing in information retrieval. Vectorization is used for converting text into a numerical form so that algorithm can process and compare it. This step is important because most machine learning models make numerical inputs. This technique includes subtopics like bag of words. Bag of word is a representation that depicts text as bag of words without any indication of the word order. First, it creates a vocabulary of all unique words in a dataset. Then it represents each document as a vector that indicates the count of each word of the vocabulary in the document. Second is TF-IDF, term frequency inverse document frequency. It is an extension of a bag of word model that considers the importance of common words across many documents likely to contain less information have a light weight in a representation, while those more unique to a document are emphasized. Another, word embedding. This is used as a vector representation of words that carry semantic meanings depending on the context in which words appear. These words embeddings have been created using techniques such as word to vec or fast text, all mapping words to a continuous dense vector in a highly dimensional vector space. Transformer-based embeddings are obtained by models such as GPT and their variants. These embeddings can be contextualized depending on the words before and after, hence capturing even the subtitles of the language. The third technique of natural language processing in IR, query understanding and expansion. Query understanding involves the user inputted search and precisely identifying the information they seek. Expansion increases the scope through the inclusion of words or phrases. This technique includes query phrasing, query expansion, intent detection. What is query phrasing? Query phrasing analyzes and breaks down a user's query to understand its structure and meaning. This involves identifying different parts of query, such as keywords, entities, modifiers, which help in interpreting what user is looking for. Query expansion. This uses query by adding additional terms or phrases to improve retrieval accuracy and relevance. This can help overcome issues like vocabulary mismatch between the user's query and the content in the database. Intent detection aims to understand the purpose or intent behind a user's query. It identifies what the user wants to achieve, which can help tailor responses or direct them to specific actions or content. This is the fourth technique of natural language processing in information retrieval. Ranking and relevance measurement. Ranking organizes the returned result in relevance order, while relevance measurement qualifies how well the obtained content reflects the user's query. This technique involves semantic similarities, BM25 ranking model, transformer-based models. Semantic similarity measures defines how closely related two pieces of text are in a meaning rather than just comparing them based on exact matching word. BM25 Best Matching 25 is a popular probabilistic ranking algorithm used in information retrieval to rank documents based on their relevance to a query. It is an improvement over the basic TF-IDF weighting scheme, that is transformer frequency. Third, transformer-based models. It is used for GPT and T5 represents the state of the art in natural language processing. They use self-attention mechanisms to process text, highly contextual, capturing complex relationships between words in a sentence. Benefits of NLP in IR. Real-time response capabilities. Supports quick, low latencies, search result, crucial for time-sensitive field like finance and customer support. Enhance accessibility. Facilitates search across languages and format like text, voice, images. making information retrieval more inclusive. Sentiment and trend analysis analyzes social media and public sentiments, helping businesses and data-driven decisions and monitor brand. It conveys the intent behind a search to return more relevant and context-aware result. Personalized search result and recommendation based on each user's preferences and behaviors. It also allows conversational of intuitive search. It enables users to search how they think, not necessarily with words with exact keywords. Applications using natural language processing in information retrieval. First is web search engines, which uses Google Bing and other major engines heavily on natural language processing to interrupt the intent behind user's query. This helps search engines to understand not just keywords but also context and intent, allowing for more relevant results. For instance, Jaguar speed could refer to a car's speed or an animal's, and NLP helps disambiguate this by understanding the query context. Recommendation system, that is e-commerce. For example, e-commerce sites like Amazon or streaming services like Netflix uses natural language processing to suggest relevant items by analyzing users' search history, review, or previous behavior. NLP helps provide personalized recommendations that align with users' preferences. Voice activated research. Um, these are like virtual assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant. Mm, Speech recognition and natural language processing interpret spoken languages, identifying keywords and provide appropriate responses or search results. Natural language processing helps the system recognizing voice commands and understand in spoken queries. Social media monitoring. This is used in platforms like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp. Natural language processing techniques like sentiment analyzing are used to understand people's opinion, detect trends, and monitor brand sentiments. Companies are use Companies uses natural language processing to monitor customers' feedback, discover trends, and understand users' engagement. Future trends. First is conversational search, a more interactive or dialogue-based form of search that allows users to refine queries through conversation. User might clarify their intent over multiple exchanges, like asking follow-up questions to refine results, making the experience feel like a natural conversation. Personalized search, customizing information retrieval result based on individual user profiles, history, preferences, and behavior. It is used by leveraging natural language processing. Research engines and platforms can deliver results that align closely with the user's previous interactions or known interest. Multimodal search, integrating different types of media, text, image, video, and audio into a unified research experience. Applications that are used for this, for example, a user could search by uploading an image or use a combination of text and image to refine their search. Conclusion. In conclusion, integrating natural language processing in information retrieval have transformed how we interact re- with and retrieve information, making search system more responsive, context aware, and relevant to user needs. By applying natural language processing techniques, information retrieval systems can better interpret user intent, handle complex queries, and deliver more precise results, moving beyond basic keywords, matching a contextual understanding and personalized. However, challenges like ambiguity, scalability, and potential biases in natural language processing models like require attention to ensure fairness and accuracy. As NLP advances, future trends like conversational search, personalized search, multimodal search promise or more natural and user experience where technology adapts to human language seamlessly. This ongoing evaluation positions natural language processing and information retrieval at the forefront of creating smarter and more adaptive and human-like information system. Thank you.